That was awesome. Nice. Who cares about TV when you have your own 24/7 music video station? Cool. We have a Sunday morning vlog. Honestly, I was going to go to bed. So, okay. I haven't been charging my phone. Spin down time, power outage edition. So these were plugged into a Chinese-y 3-outlet surge protector I don't trust. And I unplugged them. This set was on. My main computer was off. I have several backups because I take backups seriously now. That set wasn't on. Converter box was on. This is round 3 of the hail. Round 1 was kind of weak. Small hail. Got warm instantly. See, I was anticipating this. I turned my main computer off because twice. Once yesterday, I flipped the switch on accident when I was vacuuming on the power strip.
Out of range or no power at base. Okay.
Middle of the patio where the other Magnavox is fine. Hope the picture tube's not necked right here. So that's going to be moved in the middle. Yeah, this sucks. You can't even see anything. At least I have a valid excuse now. I'm sure I like to have cozy lighting in my bedroom. Freaking neighbors went crazy last night. There's 2 freaking soccer balls in the backyard. I saw them like, okay. Wasn't even mad. I'm just like, you know, oh, had a little too much fun. Threw them over the fence. There's a something icon, but there's a line down the middle of the screen because someone damaged the screen before I got this thing. There's an X on it, so I'm gonna have to dump the footage. I'll have to do that on my Inspiron 9400 with batteries EOL pretty soon. So, gonna dump the footage. Actually, do a timestamp. Actually, no. Brother's at a friend's house, apparently. It's interesting because he was sick. Let's boot up the old Inspiron 9400. Inspiron, whatever. Had an 80% battery when I left it. so any day it'll quit charging. Let's plug my phone charger, or whatever charger, power bank. Oops, turn the flash off. 0, that's fucking wonderful. 29 on the phone. More hail. Oh, I have my Inspiron. A newer one from 2016. Hope it works.
We got the old tape over the webcam.
It has Linux on it because I couldn't get the 7 setups to initialize. Not good at installing 7 on newer hardware. It's from 2016 and it does support it via the Dell site. So once we're out of... I don't remember the last time it hailed this bad. Good lord. Okay, the neighbors across the street, the quote-unquote new neighbors, have power. Oh, the other side of the street has power. Cool. Pretty sure the neighbor won't mind his truck getting hail damaged because this happened to it. The day I found out the filter cap in the JCPenney TV failed. Wow. I've never run the battery down on the Philips audio recorder before, so we got plenty of juice. Made by some Speech Solutions GmbH. New clip is 1244. Power went out after 12:15. Stopping the handy cam. High pressure sodium. Nice. Here's the high pressure sodium lamp. Guess I'm gonna go to sleep in the morning. I'd like to know when the power comes back on, even though it doesn't matter. I mean, it matters, but not knowing exactly when it came back on. That's just, you don't really need to know that as long as it comes back on. Okay, just end the video clip now, or not. Rain's pretty much done. See, now the edge of the storm's right there in Grand Prairie. The edge of the storm was right there in Haltom City. The time, around 1. It's Fort Worth right now, nothing. So that's over. Hear that? Something fell over. Someone's driving by. Oh. Oncor truck. There's the Oncor. Cool. Oncor, the truck just passed, utility truck just passed by. 128. This is kind of fun. The Pretzel Mint, butter flavored. It's Still working on the video, the final video of the Magnavox TV. Let's get closer. I think they tint yellow. More hours they have on them. Great picture still though, really bright still. Got my torch. Lightning storm still going on. Where'd that fucking moth go? There it is. Come on, fucker. Oh. I hate when they land on the freaking TV and I gotta swat the TV screen. 144. When am I gonna run out of space? Got half battery. Nothing else to record, so I'll come back when the power's back on. Unless I'm asleep. 2:05 and it looks like the lightning storm quit working. Looks like the lightning storm stopped about 15 minutes ago. Watching a YouTube video because I have nothing else to do and I'm not tired yet. Not tired yet. Subscribe to my mother's hacking and coughing. No, Jordan Ewan. Almost said the 8-bit guy. The air conditioner guy and rock and roll hi-fi guy. Rock and roll hi-fi guy. Sub them. High pressure sodium. Goodbye. Old Zenith cabinet. Doors to cover the screen. They obviously replaced the back. You can tell because there's no that circular thing that protects the neck of the tube. Looks fairly nice. The guy came back with the pole. I said, the guy's back with the pole. And power went back on a few seconds later. Good job, Oncor, right at 5. I'm going to sleep. Thanks for watching this freak show if you did. Does the set still work? Yep. My transmitter's not on because the system's not on. I'm going to bed.